Okay, so good morning. So the topic for today is comparing fractions. Which fraction is larger? Is it 3/5 or 5/7? So basically, mas madali i-compare yung fractions kapag meron silang common denominators or magkaparehas yung denominators. Say for example, 1/4 or 3/4. So, pansin natin, the same yung kanilang denominators. Yung rulings, kapag the same yung denominators, titingnan natin yung kanilang numerators. Okay? Kung alin yung mas malaking numerator, siya yung larger fraction. So, 3 is greater than 1. So, therefore, 3/4 is greater than 1/4. How about kung magkaiba yung kanilang denominators? So, meron tayong dalawang methods on how to identify or determine which fraction is larger. So, una, yung tinatawag nating cross multiplication method. Pangalawa, yung tinatawag nating rename with common denominators or finding the LCD. Okay? So, unahin muna natin yung cross multiplication method. Okay. Using cross multiplication method, so ganito lang yan. So, 3 times 7, yung sagot dyan is 21. 5 times 5, sagot dyan is 25. So, 25 is greater than 21. So, therefore, 5/7 is greater than 3/5. Okay? Sige. Next. Method number 2, yung rename with common denominator, finding the LCD. So, ano nga ba yung LCD ng 5 at saka 7? So, basically, yung LCD nila is 35. Okay, so paano pag-solve niyan? So, 35 divided by 5, yung sagot is 7. I-multiply natin yan sa numerator. So, 7 times 3, 21. Next, so ganun din dito. 35 divided by 7, yung sagot is 5. Multiply natin yan sa numerator. So, 5 times 5, 25. Okay, so 25 over 35 is greater than 21 over 35 since yung kanilang denominators are the same. Okay, so mas malaki to. So basically yung 5/7 is just the lowest term of 25 over 35. So therefore 5/7 is greater than 3/5. Okay, gets? Okay, sige. So to better understand the topic, so please try to answer these 2-item practice exercises. Okay, so thank you.